Chapter 5 Formatting in MS Word. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to change the font color, style and font size of the text, apply text in alignment, add borders and shading effect to improve the appearance of the text. Warm up. Join the dots to find out the name of the word processor. Teacher's note. Ask the student about the features of MS Word 2016. Encourage them to remember and revise what they learned in the previous chapter. MS Word components, typing in MS Word, undo and redo commands and much more. Hello friends. We already know how editing features of MS Word 2016 work. Let us learn about a few formatting features that help our document look presentable. As we read in the previous chapter, Microsoft Word, developed by Microsoft Corporation, is one of the most popular word processors used worldwide. It allows us to create, edit, read and share files easily. To make the document look presentable, we may change the appearance. For it, we need to format the text, which means making changes in the text and its appearance to make it look pleasing. Features offered by MS Word to format the text are as follows: font style, size and color, text case and alignment, border and shading effect. Do you know MS Word was first released on October 25, 1983 under the name Multi-Tool Word. Font. A font refers to the size, design, color and style of typed characters within a document. To add variation to the document, we can use different fonts such as separate font style for the heading and the body. The Home tab contains the font settings. Following are the options which are included in it. We can press the Ctrl-Shift-F key combinations to open the font dialog box. Font size. Font size increases or decreases the size of the characters. The size is measured in points from 8 to 72. By default, the font size is 11. Follow the given step to change the font size of the text. Steps. 1. Select the text you want to modify. 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box. 3. Select the desired font size. 4. The font size will change in the document. Let me answer. Which font size would you suggest for class 3 students? Font color. MS Word allow you to change the font color of your text. If you want to emphasize a particular word or phrase, you can change its font color. The default font color in MS Word is black. Follow the given steps to change the font color of the text. Step 1. Select the text whose color you want to change. 2. On the Home tab, click the font color drop-down arrow. The font color menu appears. 3. With the help of the mouse, select the font color you want to use. The font color will change for the selected text. 4. Your color choices are not limited to the drop-down menu that appears. Select more colors at the bottom of the menu to access the color dialog box. Choose the color you want, then click OK. Let me answer. Which is your favorite color and why? Font style. We can also modify the font style. In MS Word, there are many different font styles to choose from. The font style is set to Calibri by default. Follow the given step to change the font style to the text. Steps 1. Select the text whose font style you need to modify. 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font box. A menu of font style will appear. 3. Select the font style you want to use. 4. The font will change in the selected text. Remember it! It is estimated that MS Word is running on more than 1 billion devices worldwide. Making the text bold, italics and underlined. You may highlight keywords and phrases using the bold, italic and underline commands. Follow the given steps to make the text bold, italics or underlined. Steps 1. Select the text you want to modify. 2. On the Home tab, click the B for bold, italic, I or underline U command in the font group. Consider the example, click italics. 3. The selected text will be modified in the document. Shortcut keys: bold, Ctrl plus B keys. Italics, Ctrl plus I keys. Underline, Ctrl plus U keys. Text alignment. The placement of the text within a page margin is referred to as alignment. There are 4 alignments as follow. Left alignment. It places the text toward the left margin. In Microsoft Word, the text is left aligned by default. Shortcut key Ctrl plus L keys. Right alignment. It allows the text to align with the right margin. It is frequently used to mention the date in a document. Shortcut key Ctrl plus R keys. Center alignment. It aligns the text in the center to the left and right margins. It is mainly used with the titles and headings. Shortcut key Ctrl plus E keys. Justify alignment. It places the text evenly distributed between the left and right margins. It is significantly used for designing books and newspaper content. Shortcut key Ctrl plus J keys. How should text alignment be used? Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Select the desired alignment button on the Home tab in the paragraph group. Step 3. The selected text will be aligned. Change case. To change the appearance of the text, the change case option is used. The change case menu offers 5 options. Sentence case. The first letter of each sentence is capitalized. Uppercase. All the letters of the text are capitalized. Lowercase. Text is changed from uppercase to lowercase. Capitalize each word. The first word of each word is capitalized. Toggle case. Case of each and every letter in the sentence is reversed. It will convert a letter written in uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Borders and shading. To improve the appearance of the text, borders and shading effects can also be added. Follow the given steps to apply borders and shadings. Steps 1. Select the paragraphs to which you want to add and shading and borders. 2. Click the drop-down arrow next to border button and click on the border and shading options. 3. Under the settings section, click on the box option. 4. Select the line style from the style section and line color from the color drop-down list. 5. Choose the line width from the width drop-down list. 6. In Apply section, select the paragraph option. Click OK and the border appears around the text. Kids IQ. Rahul wants to write a letter to inform his class teacher that he will not able to attend school because he is ill. Which case option should he use to write the letter's content? Let's recall. Formatting means changing the text appearance to make it look pleasing. A font refers to the size, design, color and style of typed characters within a document. The positioning of text on a page is referred to as text alignment. Change case allows changing the text appearance case. The change case options are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash means changing the text appearance to make it look pleasing. Answer: formatting. 2. The dash tab contains the font setting. Answer: home. 3. We can press the Ctrl-Shift-F key combinations to open the dash dialog box. Answer: font. 4. The default font style in MS Word is dash. Answer: Calibri. 5. Dash alignment evenly distributes the text between the left and right margins. Answer: justify. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What are the features offered by MS Word to format the text? Answer: feature offered by MS Word to format the text are as follows. A. Font style, size and color. B. Text case and alignment. C. Border and shading effect. 2. What do you mean by a font? Answer: a font refers to the size, design, color and style of typed characters within a document. To add variations to a document, we can use different fonts such as separate font styles for the heading and the body. 3. Write the steps to change the font color of the text. Answer: the steps to change the font color of the text. 1. Select the text whose color you want to change. 2. On the Home tab, click the Font Color drop-down arrow. The font color menu appears. 3. With the help of the mouse, select the font color you want to use. The font color will change for the selected text. 4. Your color choices are not limited to the drop-down menu that appears. Select more colors at the bottom of the menu to access the color dialog box. Choose the color you want, then click OK. 4. How many types of alignment are available in MS Word? Name them. Answer: there are 4 alignments. Left align, center align, right align and justify align. 5. Write the steps to make the text bold. Answer: follow the given step to make the text bold. Step 1. Select the text you want to bold. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Bold. B. Command in the font group. Consider the example. Click B. Bold. Step 3. The selected text will be bold in the document. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. 1. A font color is often measured in pixels. Answer: false. 2. Italic is used to tilt the text. Answer: true. 3. Center alignment is used significantly for designing bugs. Answer: false. 4. Sentence case makes the first letter of each sentence capital. Answer: true. 5. The positioning of the text on a page is referred to as text alignment. Answer: true. D. Match the following. 1. Match Ctrl plus R keys with C. 2. Match Ctrl plus B keys with D. 3. Match Ctrl plus E keys with E. 4. Match Ctrl plus I keys with B. 5. Match Ctrl plus L keys with A. E. Take the correct answer. 1. By default, text in MS Word is dash aligned. A. Right. B. Center. C. Left. D. Justify. Answer: C. Left. 2. In which group bold, italics and underline commands are there? A. Font. B. Home. C. Insert. D. View. Answer: A. Font. 3. Which command to be pressed to tilt the text? A. Right. B. Underline. C. Italics. D. Bold. Answer: C. Italics. 4. Ctrl plus U keys combination is the shortcut for dash the text. A. Left align. B. Tilting. C. Underlining. D. Coloring. Answer: C. Underlining. 5. Dash alignment is frequently used for mentioning the date in the document. A. Center. B. Justify. C. Left. D. Right. Answer: D. Right. Critical thinking. A. Number the following steps in order to change the font style of the selected text. Answer: 1. Select the font style you want to use. 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font box. A menu of font style will appear. 3. The font will change in the selected text. 4. Selected the text whose font style you need to modify. B. A book publishing house wants to align the text of the books. Help the team by suggesting a suitable option which will complete their task. Answer: use justify alignment. Team work. Create a birthday invite for your friends in MS Word 2016. Apply all the editing and formatting skills you have learned. Answer: do it yourself.